Hey everybody! So you can see I've got a fresh painting right here. I just did a string pull. I filmed the entire thing, and then when I went around to grab the camera to show you guys, my phone had turned itself off, so none of it got filmed, which is a huge bummer because I haven't had a video in weeks. And then I go to make one and it doesn't work. So, anywho, you can go to my playlist, and I have string pull in the playlist, and you can see how I did this process. And I did tilt it a little bit at the end, as you can see right here. But I hope you are all doing well. I've missed you. I've had creative block being at home so much, but hopefully it is passing. And I'm going to go try and make another video and hope that it films. I hope you are all staying well and healthy, and I will catch you next time. Bye.